Start. The judgment of the court was delivered by Stowe. This appeal by special leave is directed against the judgment and decree of the full bench of the Court of Madhya Pradesh in Civil Special Appeal number 5 of 1949 and arises out of a suit filed by the appellant Seth Gulab Chand, herein after referred to as the plaintiff against heirs and legal representatives of Seth Govind Ram on the original side of the High Court of the former Indore state for specific performance of an agreement dated February 28, 1941, entered into between the plaintiff and the deceased Govind Ram Stowe, decreed the suit on June 11, 1948. Stowe, against this judgment and decree, the defendants filed an appeal to a division bench of the Madhya Bharat High Court, and the plaintiff also preferred a cross appeal. Stowe, the division bench accepted the defendant's appeal, reversed the judgment and decree of, and dismissed the plaintiff's suit, as also his cross appeal. Stowe, thereafter the plaintiff filed an appeal under section 25 of the Madhya Bharat High Court of Judicature Act 1949 as it stood before it was amended by Madhya Bharat Act number 3 of 1950. Stowe, when this appeal came up for hearing before a full bench of the Madhya Pradesh High Court, a preliminary objection as to the competency of the appeal was taken on behalf of the defendants respondents. Stowe, the full bench held that the appeal was not competent, but this court on appeal held that the appeal was competent and remitted the case to the High Court for decision on merits. Stowe, on remand, the full bench upheld the decision of the division bench and dismissed the appeal. Stowe, the matter is now before us. Stowe, in view of the arguments urged before us by learned counsel for the appellant, it is not necessary to give in detail the history of the disputes between the parties or all the points that were debated before the High Court. Stowe, to appreciate the arguments addressed to us, it is only necessary to give the following facts. Stowe, Govind Ram and four other persons entered into a deed of partnership on July 17, 1935 for carrying on the business of acting as managing agents and selling agents for Indore Malwa United Mills Limited, a company owning a textile mill in Indore. Stowe, serious disputes arose between the partners. Stowe, the board of directors of the company appointed a committee in November 1940 to inquire into certain allegations made against Govind Ram Bilasrai store.